Hello, my name is Paisley, and I will be presenting this research on behalf of my co-authors, entitled Reciprocal Social Ties Drive Stable Cooperation Within a Social Network. In the study, we looked at the causes and consequences of social reciprocity within natural animal social networks. Social cooperation occurs across various taxa in both kin and non-kin. Kin selection helps to explain why animals who are related to each other cooperate, while social reciprocity is one of the main drivers of cooperation among non-kin. It is difficult to track social reciprocity in wild populations, where social dynamics are both complex and dynamic through time. In the study, we test the hypothesis that mutual social investment can explain social dynamics in a wild population of a cooperative bird, the wire-tailed manakin. Male wire-tailed manakins perform coordinated social displays in pairs and form multiple partnerships throughout the breeding season. Two classes of males exist: territory holders and floaters. Only the territory holders have the opportunity to mate, and they can only do so following a display on their own territory. For this reason, the majority of partnerships occur between a territory holder and a floater. However, approximately 1/3 of partnerships occur between two territory holders. Our study looked at only the territory holders and the dynamics of their interactions. This allowed us to examine how reciprocity is related to cooperation. Partnerships between two territory holders entail one partner foregoing mating opportunities at their own territory and donating a display onto their partner's territory, expending time and energy that will only be contributed towards the partner's mating opportunities. Partnerships between two territory holders can be divided into two categories: reciprocated and one-way partnerships. One-way partnerships are where only one of the males donated a display onto the partner's territory, whereas reciprocated partnerships, both males donated at least one display onto the partner's territory. We compared reciprocated and one-way partnerships and predicted that reciprocated partnerships would be preferred and more temporally stable. The fieldwork for the study was conducted at the Tiputini Biodiversity Station in Ecuador. We tracked a large population of 85 territory holders over the course of a 3-year study using automated telemetry. A coded nanotag transmitted proximity data signals, which allowed us to determine which birds were displaying with whom on which territories. This first analysis looked at the edge weight, which indicates the frequency of interactions between two partners within a recording session of reciprocated and one-directional partnerships. We found that the higher the edge weight, the more likely a partnership was to be reciprocated, and the lower the edge weight was, the more likely the partnership was to be one-directional, indicating that birds preferred and chose to repeatedly interact with partners who were reciprocating the displays. Next, we looked at if the amount of displays a male received from a given partner was correlated to the amount of displays he would donate to that partner on the partner's territory. We found a positive association between these two factors, indicating that the more displays a male received from a partner, the more displays he would donate to that partner on the partner's territory. Finally, we looked at the temporal stability of these partnerships and found that reciprocated partnerships were far more likely to have higher edge weights in the following year than one-directional partnerships. This indicates that males are not only choosing to repeatedly interact with partners who reciprocate the partnership within a breeding season, but also across the years into the following breeding season. These results indicate that reciprocation is associated with enhanced partnership strength and stability. Reciprocation can therefore act as a pathway to stability within these territory holder partnerships of the wire-tailed manakins, and by extension throughout the broader social network. Thank you for listening. Please feel free to email any further questions or see our preprint on bioRxiv. Thank you.